Thank you for joining Wars of the Rosies. And this is Allah, from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Allah, Assyrian seen here. The Arabic name of God derived from thus, meaning God, and the article seen here, all, expressing the God by the way of eminence. In the great profession of the unity of which is founded the religion of Islam, both terms are used as pronounced la ilaha illallah. There is no God but God, the real meaning of the expression being, there is only one God. Muhammad relates that in his night journey from Mecca to Jerusalem, on ascending through the seven heavens, he beheld above the throne of God this formula, and the green standard of the prophet was adorned with the mystical sentence. It is the first phrase lisped by the infant, and the devout Muslim utters the profession of the faith at all times, in joy, in sorrow, in praise, in prayer, in battle, and with his departing breath the words are wafted to heaven. For among the peculiar virtues of these words is that they may be spoken without any motion of the lips. The mourners on their way to the grave continue the strain in melancholy tones. Around the supreme name is clustered the Masbaha or Rosary of the 99 beautiful names of God, which are often repeated by the Mohammedan in his devotions. W.S. Patterson. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Rosies. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.